Picture this, Joe. You have a son who's expecting a bike. So you go to Walmart to buy him the bike. You have cash and a credit card, Joe. You buy the bike, Joe. Everybody sees you, Joe. Buy the bike with cash and credit card, Joe. So why is the police arresting you, Joe? I paid for this bike. I have it. Please stop. Please stop.
Put your arm on your back.
He's tasing me.
Put your arm on your back now.
Stop. Please stop. Please stop.
Tasing him.
Stop. Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this to me? I paid. I paid for my stuff. I paid for my stuff. Why are you doing this to me? Everybody sees this, right? I paid for my stuff. I have a receipt. Stop.
Oh my.
Hey guys, get calm and get away. Get away. Everybody get away from me.
Stop. Hey, friend. Hey, friend. Stop.
Get person.
Stop.
I know.
I didn't do nothing wrong. I paid for this. I haven't. So why are you arresting me?
Call the handcuff.
Why are you arresting me?
Call the handcuff.
Everybody see this, right? I had a receipt. I have a receipt. Why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this to me? What have you done? I paid with a receipt. So why are these cops doing this to me? What did I do wrong? Somebody please tell me what I did wrong. I paid with a receipt. I paid with a receipt, and I did not resist. Why are they doing this to me? Somebody please tell me why these cops are doing this to me. I'm going.
Stand up against the
Stop.
car. Stand up against the
Stop.
car.
Stop. There's nothing wrong. I had a receipt.
I saw, bro. I saw.
Everybody saw I had a receipt.
I saw.
I paid for my receipt. So why am I being arrested? Why are they doing this to me?
It's on video. It's on video.
Somebody please put it on Facebook. My name is Stanley Gracias. Today in Walmart, I went to purchase a bike for my son. Everybody saw, and it's on camera. I paid with cash and a credit card, and I had a receipt. Why are these cops doing this to me? Please tell me what exactly I did wrong. What? What did I do wrong? I had a receipt, and I paid for my stuff. Why are you doing this to me, officer? Like, I love you guys. Why are you doing this? Man. Nah, I'm not okay. I need to bring your bike to my son that I just bought. But no, you guys are doing this to me. I am calm. Friend, why are your friends doing this?
I have no idea. I just got it. Figure it out.
No, you guys are doing this against my will. So if you understand that, why are you still doing it? Currently, yes, I am hurt and injured, officer.
That's him right there.
No. 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 We're gonna wait right here. Because I did not do anything wrong. I did not do anything wrong. I did not do anything wrong. Look. Why? You're talking to me right now. What's your first name? Hey, Joe. How are you, Joe? Picture this, Joe. You have a son who's expecting a bike. So you go to Walmart to buy him the bike. You have cash and a credit card, Joe. You buy the bike, Joe. Everybody sees you, Joe. Buy the bike with cash and credit card, Joe. So why is the police arresting you, Joe? No, I do not want to sit down. You guys are making me feel uncomfortable, Joe. Why? Why? No, you're not. No, I'm not. No, you guys are kidnapping me right now. Everybody sees that you guys are doing this against my will. I did nothing wrong. Or do I? Okay, what are my choices, friend? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Against my will. Why would you do that against my will? I'm not in custody. I'm not though. I'm really not. I'm really not. No, I'm not. You see what you guys I'm doing? You see how calm I am talking to these gentlemen, but yet they still not listening. Okay? They're just doing what they want. I bought a bike with cash and credit card for my son who's expecting a bike from dad. And now I'm getting arrested. Why? Why? Please tell me. If anybody could tell me why, I would love to hear why.
Because you're black.
I bought the bikes with cash and credit card, and I have a receipt. Please stop. Please stop.
Get in the
Please
car,
stop.
bro. It ain't worth
Stop. Please stop. Please stop.
It's not worth it, bro. Get in the car.
Because he's black.
Please stop. Please stop. You're hurting me. Please stop. You're hurting me.
Get in the car,
Please
Stanley.
stop. You're hurting me.
Just get in the car.
Get in the car. Please stop. You're hurting me. Please stop. You're hurting me.
Yeah, bro. Dumbass bitch. You're racist. It's because he's black. That's because he's black. That's just because he's black.
I am now bleeding. They busted
You don't
my
know what
lip.
the fuck happened.
Shut up,
Shut
racist.
the fuck on.
Go do what you gotta do,
Fuck
nigga.
out.
The fuck? What's going on? He was just bought a bike, and they tased him and all that. For no reason.
All he did was buy the fucking bike. He was
I got it all on video.
He didn't do what the fuck then.
He told the officer, have a good day, and he felt some type of way about it.
I was in the store earlier. I saw him like
Y'all
Yeah. This was the officer that tased him. Hello?
No, that's not your f***ing car. You are under arrest.
You're under arrest.
Oh, let him go from me. Get in the car. Get in the car, Stanley. Put your legs inside the door. Put your legs inside the door. Why? Why are they doing this to me? Stop moving. Stop resisting.
It's because he's black. Because he's black.
Kill you.
Get in the car.
Just go.
Come on, man. I'm kicking you, bro. Why are you pushing me there? Because you gotta get in the car. Why do I have to get in the car? Because you're in the way. I'm not. Stop, bro. Please stop. Get in the car, Stanley. Stop. Stanley, put your legs inside the car. He says he's gonna break my leg, guys. Please stop. Get in the car, Stanley. My friend, please stop. Stanley, get in the car. My friend, stop. Just get in the car. Get in the car. You are under arrest. I'm not, though. You are under arrest.
He did nothing wrong.
Man's under arrest for buying a bike. This doesn't make any sense.
He did nothing wrong. He did nothing wrong.
I'd like to know what he did wrong, just so I can have a better understanding as to why you guys are doing
Get in
this.
the car. Get in the car, then. Stanley, put your back in the car. Get in the car. Okay, I will stop. Get in the car. You sure? Yes.
In front of the Walmart. Why I'm missing? Why I'm missing police?
He bought a bike. He literally bought a bike.
That was him. He started it.
Get in the car. Conduct and resisting arrest.
Disorderly conduct and resisting arrest.
They're buckling my legs. I hope everybody sees this. Why do you have legs in the car? Stop. Put your legs in the car. Stop. Stop.
Sign him up.
Not kicking. Do not
Turn his legs up.
Stop.
Turn his legs up.
It doesn't have to be that hard.